Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something that can feel a bit daunting. Personal loans. But I want to share a story, a real story, about how a seemingly simple financial tool became a stepping stone to a dream. Let me introduce you to Sarah. For years, she worked a steady 9-to-5 job. It was fine, it paid the bills, but her heart wasn't in it. Her real passion was baking. She dreamed of opening her own little bakery, filling the neighborhood with the smell of fresh bread and warm cookies. She had the recipes, the talent, the business, plan everything except the startup capital. Her savings were good, but not quite enough to cover the cost of a commercial oven, rent, and initial supplies. She felt stuck, like her dream was just out of reach. Friends told her to just keep saving, that taking on debt was too risky, and for a while, she listened. The fear of failure was real. But then, one day, she decided to reframe her thinking. What if a loan wasn't a burden, but an investment in herself? She spent weeks researching, comparing interest rates, and understanding repayment terms. She didn't rush. She found a reputable lender with a plan that felt manageable, not overwhelming. With the personal loan secured, Sarah's dreams suddenly had a launch date. She bought her oven, signed the lease, and poured every ounce of her energy into the rolling pin bakery. The first few months were tough, no doubt. She worked long hours, lived frugally, and made every single loan payment on time. It was a commitment, but seeing customers smile as they bit into her pastries made it all worth it. Fast forward 2 years. The rolling pin bakery is now a beloved local spot. Sarah has hired 2 employees, and is even thinking about expanding. The loan that once felt so intimidating was the very thing that unlocked her potential. It wasn't just money, it was a bridge from her old life to the one she had always imagined. Sarah's story shows that when used responsibly and thoughtfully, a personal loan isn't just about managing debt, it's about building a future. It's about believing in your own vision enough to invest in it. I hope this story inspires you. If you have a dream that feels just out of reach, maybe it's time to explore all your options with a clear and strategic mind. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.